My name is Swati and this tutorial is about GitHub. For that you should go to Google and type git-scm and click download to download git bash software. That is a command prompt. If you click this and select Windows, there will be a file, .exe file getting downloaded automatically, and just click the exe file and follow the instructions which are given on the application, and so the file will get downloaded. And after getting downloaded, then go to your account. You should have an account with GitHub to start using it. So you should give all the information here, username, email ID and password, and click the create account button and you'll get create. As I have, I'll just sign in up. This is my email ID and password. Start a project. You should give a repository here and select it as public, and if you give private you should have to pay for it. So if you are using it for just the project sake, you can just give it as public and create a repository. I have already done it. I'll go to my profile, repositories. So this is my repository. So to this I'll add a file. So for that I have created in my C folder, I have a folder named sites, and in that I have created gits, and in that I have a file named index.txt, but it is not there in the repository, so I'm going to push this in the repository. So for that, what I'll do is open git bash, navigate to the folder where the file you have placed it in the repository, and just go and type. You should clone the URL. So if you create, okay, I'll just show you sample ones. Give a repository name. I click and just click create repository. So you should copy this, and in the command prompt or in the bash, git bash, you should type git clone and just paste that and click enter, and will get created. I'm not using that repository because I have it already. So my repository previously was my git, not git, so I should get back to that. So to go back to the previous folder, just click cd dot and do ls. You find the index.txt file here. So I'm trying to push this into the repository. So for that, if you want to edit that index.txt, just type vim index.txt and you can just edit it. Like you should click I and it says it is entering, and just click and escape to get out of the mode, and click :x to close that prompt. And you next you should, if you want to see the status, just type git status status, and you see this is an untracked file. So if you want to push this into the repository, just git add index.txt. You're just saving it into your repository, and then you can push it. So for that, so it is just added, then committed. Commit -m is with a message. So update index file. I'm just writing a message just like that. If you don't want, you need not write, and remove the -n. And this is the message that like it is inserted. So if you want to see the log, git log. See under so update index file. This is the message. This is my file. That is a log which is created recently, and now I should push it into the repository git push -u using then origin master. Okay. Make sure you have the correct access rights. Just type git push. Should give your username and password, and now if you refresh that, you should be able to see that file in your repository. I'm just going back to my own repository. So your profile. So this is the repository which I used now. So this is the file which I have inserted. If you see, if you open it, that code will be there which you have inserted. Thanks everybody for watching the video.